Here at Covenant, we are different than any other employer. Our commitment on patient-centric care, as well as the quality that we provide to each and every patient that walks through our door, is something that you will just not find anywhere else. We are very committed to quality care of our patients. We provide individualized one-on-one patient treatment sessions, and we strive to make sure that every patient leaves here achieving the outcomes they came here to achieve.
If you're a newer grad or if you're newer to the hospital, our new preceptor approach is very beneficial for our new hires in making sure they're comfortable.
You get stationed with basically one mentor throughout your entire training and orientation process. You get a structured schedule, so you know your dates and times that you need to be here, who all your contacts are, and that mentor is the one that you go to, so you're receiving that one-on-one individualized treatment. You may have preceptors along the way that, let's say, maybe somebody specializes in something else, so you can see that.
It's hard to start a new job. You don't even know anyone or know where anything is. You don't know how to do the paperwork, which is huge to learn how to do that. You have training, you're a physical therapist. You know what to do for the therapy, but to get all the forms right and get all the documentation, that's hard.
When I came in, I felt extremely comfortable with my orientation and my training. I felt like I got enough where I knew what I was doing. And then when I started on my own, there was still somebody there always helping me out. The other great thing about working here is though you only have one preceptor or one mentor, everybody helps you out. It's an extremely friendly atmosphere. The therapists know what they're doing and they're always willing to take a second to train you or teach you something new.
If you have any questions or contacts, then you have that mentor to always fall back on. And they've trained you, they've shown you everything. If there's anything that you had questions on, they're that one contact person, so it gives you that sense that you have one go-to, you don't have 18 go-tos, and you're receiving the same message too. So it's that one person that can help introduce you to all the processes and policies, procedures, anything of that nature, and help guide you.
I tell all the new employees, please tell us what we can do. What are we doing well? What can we improve on? Because we are listening to you, we can definitely improve the process, and your opinion matters to me, to management. You may not always get the answer you want, but you'll get an answer. And sometimes the whys behind the whats is all people need to be happy and to be satisfied and to just know that everybody's working for the same goal.
Here at Covenant, we always look for ideas and suggestions from our teammates because we can't get better if we don't hear from the people on the front lines. So we especially look to our new hires to offer new suggestions and ideas on how we can always make sure we're staying ahead of the curve in the ever-changing healthcare environment.
We're constantly working to improve and make sure that the feedback we're getting from the new hires is positive and that we're going in the right direction. And so far, I think that's the case.
It is a really good career, and I love teaching students and volunteers and things like that, kids that are interested in getting into the field. Everybody loves to talk about their job, but when I get somebody under my wing that really likes to get into it, then I can show them all about it.
Most of the comments that we receive is, this is the most structured I've ever had. Like if there's somebody that's not a new grad or coming in from an organization, that they worked at prior, like, oh my gosh, this is way more structured. I had one day, with the person, and then I was kind of, fed to the wolves after that. And here, it's a very structured process. We want to make sure, again, that you're comfortable with what you're doing. You're not having to fumble, through your day. The main thing is to give you the tools that you need so you can go out and do what you need for the patients.
We thank you for taking the time to look at a sneak peek into our department. Please check out CovenantHealthCare.com for our future career opportunities.